Coca-Cola is widely known as being a symbol of America, and it was created by Dr. John Pemberton, a famous physician in the 1800s. When the Civil War hit, he tossed away his lab coat for a button uniform and joined the army. After getting caught in a direct line of fire, he was given a life-threatening drug to ease the pain for his last few hours, but he miraculously survived and used his near-death experience to build Coca-Cola's $74 billion. Atlanta, capital of Georgia. America, the birthplace of Coca-Cola and home of its headquarters, it's the world's largest beverage company, employing over 700,000 worldwide. It all started here in 1886. John became known as the most famous physician in Atlanta, but behind closed doors, John was struggling after his near-death experience. He became addicted to morphine with no cure in sight for what had become a daily habit. He looked for a herbal remedy. At the time, he heard good things about a drink called Vin Mariani. It contained ground-up coca leaves and red wine, and was said to heal any ailment. That gave John the idea of making his own version to cure his morphine addiction. Using coca leaves, red wine, and cola nuts, he created what he called Pemberton's French Wine Coca. The year that Pemberton's French Wine Coca hit the market, John Pemberton was experimenting again with a new recipe. He took some secret ingredients and boiled them into his syrup. He thought it was pretty tasty. So he took some to Jacob's Pharmacy, where they mixed the syrup with plain water and placed it on sale for 5 cents a glass. Legend has it, an employee of the pharmacy accidentally mixed the syrup with carbonated water and served it over ice to a customer. Well, the customer absolutely loved it, and the rest is history. Afterwards, John's bookkeeper, Frank Robinson, suggested he change the name to Coca-Cola. John took his advice and launched his new remedy, Coca-Cola. The Coca-Cola ingredients contains the valuable tonic and nerve stimulant properties of the coca plant and coca nuts. Back in the 1880s, nobody was worried about the cocaine in the drink. So now that the wine had been removed, Coca-Cola could continue being sold. The only problem is not many people were buying it. Pemberton was still trying to sell people on the medicinal aspect of the drink. Early ads for Coca-Cola described it as a harmless, wonderful brain tonic that relieves headaches and upset. Meanwhile, Pemberton was becoming increasingly ill. His pain was worsening, his addiction growing stronger, and by 1888, John Pemberton was dead. The tragedy is he had absolutely no idea that his drink would soon become one of the most well-known drinks on the entire planet. Right before Pemberton died, he sold the company for $2,300 to an ambitious workaholic named Asa Candler. Candler then began buying out any outstanding shares owned by other people, so he could have the company fully under his control. Later investigations would find that Candler may not have really bought all those shares, as some of the documents contained forged signatures. We may never know exactly what happened, because Kendall even had the early records of the company burned, most likely to cover his tracks. But all that was irrelevant, because by the 1890s, Asa Candler was fully in charge of Coca-Cola. But remember, the drink wasn't actually that popular at first. So Candler started filling the town with Coke-branded banners, billboards, and placards. However, it soon became clear that advertising Coca-Cola as a medicine was the wrong strategy. Rather than just market to people who were ill, they could market it to everyone by simply positioning it as a tasty, relaxing drink that anyone could enjoy. Coke will try to tell you that their biggest secret is the drink secret formula, which is hidden in a high-security vault for dramatic effect. But the formula isn't that secret, it's on Wikipedia. Of course, Coca-Cola's success has very little to do with the formula. You could create a clone product, but you're never going to be able to compete with them. Coca-Cola also tested products on animals. Over the course of the years, hundreds and thousands of companies have tested their products on animals, and Coca-Cola was no different. Coca-Cola paid off scientists to claim Coke was healthy. If you know anything about Coke, it's that the drink is very sugary. Even the diet versions aren't much better for your health. So how did the company decide to counter these claims? Well, they paid off scientists to deflect the blame of any weight gain or obesity issues to the lack of exercise rather than the beverage itself. They gathered a bunch of influential experts and asked them to promote the benefits of the drink on various platforms. In fact, they asked Americans to stop worrying about what they were eating and to start focusing on getting more physical activities. According to them, there is no evidence that Coca-Cola is a key factor when it comes to weight gain. But in 2015, it was revealed that the company had paid the Global Energy Balance Network millions of dollars. This news didn't stand well with health experts who weren't associated with the company in any way. And as you could imagine, they were horrified that the company was downplaying the dangers of such a dangerous health concern. They've gone as far as paying those who claim the drink is harmful to prove just that. And they haven't learned a lesson as time has passed. The Coca-Cola company was served with notice because the lawsuit claimed that they were deceiving the public with their unsubstantiated claims about their vitamin water drinks. The company claims that this drink is a healthier alternative to soda and makes several dramatic claims. They've stated that the drink can help reduce risks from chronic diseases and promote healthy joints. How they arrived at that conclusion, we don't know. Because the 33 grams of sugar in the drink does more harm by promoting obesity and diabetes than any of the vitamins' benefits. Coca-Cola spend endless billions on advertising every year, but will never once try to sell you on their products. They sell an idea: happiness, harmony, togetherness. But some would say it's a distraction from the disturbing truth. There are a lot of serious accusations against the company that they've caused disease, droughts, exploitation, and much, much worse. Today, Coca-Cola is closely associated with American culture and is known as a national symbol. It's also the second most recognized brand in the world, behind Nike. Robert W. Woodruff, Ernest's son, played a crucial role in expanding Coca-Cola's global presence and making it an internationally recognized brand. Every day, nearly 2 billion servings of its drinks are served in more than 200 countries. Before Robert retired from Coca-Cola, he kept a paperweight on his desk that read, "There is no limit to what a man can do or where he can go if he doesn't mind who gets the credit." Coca-Cola is one of the most iconic and well-known brands in the world, and its history dates back to the late 19th century. The company continued to expand globally, becoming available in many countries around the world. Coca-Cola has become a symbol of American culture and is enjoyed by millions of people worldwide. Its long history and enduring popularity make it one of the most recognized and consumed soft drinks in the world. And that's the wrap of our story for today. So, as you're watching this, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more untold stories of the journey to success. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be updated in our every uploads. What do you think about our topic today? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for being a part of this incredible journey.